Welcome to the new Safe Home Alabama website, recently redesigned with the important information you're looking for, just a few clicks away. Our new website features a modern design and is completely responsive across all devices. The government bar at the top of the page lets you know that you're on an official government website. The call to action areas offer easy access to frequently used content. The main menu has been streamlined to feature our main topics. The home page features a newsfeed and quick links to some of the most popular traffic safety topics. Interest group pages provide direct links and curated link lists for information on specific service groups, government agencies, and university research centers, highlighting their involvement with traffic safety in Alabama. Click a Read More link to access posts related to a specific interest group. On the safety topics and research pages, find information about each topic and curated link lists of related initiatives and organizations. Click on a Read More link to access posts related to a specific topic. Posts on all topics have a centralized home in the news section. Discover the latest information, sort posts by category, or choose to filter posts by a popular tag. Use the search box to locate posts about a desired topic using keywords. The new site search is a robust tool that allows you to locate content by keyword. On the new events page, you can find a variety of upcoming traffic safety events and sort them by month. Use the search box to locate events using keywords. In addition to the new features and design, our website is now accessible and optimized for all devices, putting information at your fingertips. We invite you to explore the new safehomealabama.gov today.